Merit Mexico is located in northwest of Mexico. The strength for Merit Mexico is basically flexibility. The flexibility that Merit Mexico provides to Merit Corporate for the non-stop growth that has been embedded in Merit since day one.
Here in Tijuana, we receive a lot of people that migrates from all over Mexico, from southern Mexico and central Mexico. So a couple of things that you could say here in Tijuana is that the culture is very rich, very unique, and there's a lot of differences that we have leveraged into our culture and blended into our culture, and we have established, let's say, something very friendly and unique in the maquiladora industry around.
We want from the very beginning to be the employer of choice. We have a lot of competition for labor and for talent, having 55 other manufacturing companies here in Tijuana. So we designed from the very beginning a process called the quality of life. So we have a 3-year program that each year is based on the Maslow hierarchy of needs, and we develop programs every year to get better in taking care of people. So I mean, just from an operations point of view, being able to say when is the operator that gets up at 4, 5 o'clock in the morning in order to come into the day shift at 7 o'clock in the morning, that spends 12 hours a day here, how is that person feeling? When they get up, the transport that we provide them in order to come to work, and then while they're here, the cafeteria is a part of it, the training is another part of it, the respect, the engagement that we have from the employees, you can just see it, that people want to be here, and we have a very low employment or turnover rate is because of that. People want to come here because they enjoy the environment.
And one of the key attributes that Merit Mexico has to keep talent is provide career opportunities. We have people that were interns, and then they move to supervisors, then they move to engineers, and they have been promoted at least 3 times. So we have those kind of examples where we can assure any new employee that there are opportunities to grow in Merit Mexico.